Let's make cilantro lime chicken with mango salsa. I'm gonna go old school here. Boom! Okay, everybody, there you have it. That is my cilantro lime dressing. I've marinated my chicken thighs in it a couple of hours. If you could do it overnight, even better. I've basted it a little bit more, seasoned up the chicken as well with some salt and pepper. Rice, you'll see my mango salsa on top of that rice. That easy recipe is on my channel. Be sure to check that out so you can see more great easy recipes. You can be your own master chef in your own kitchen. On the barbecue, hot tonight, hot outside, hot barbecue, hot Uncle Drew. Off the charts. You've got to try this one. This is fantastic. The chicken is cooked perfectly, but that lime dressing, this is fantastic.